In today's video, we'll discuss how to check vacation time at Kroger. Watch this video until the end to learn how to do this and more. To check your vacation time via the Paycheck website, launch your web browser and visit the Kroger employee portal at kroger.com. The link is in the description. Log in using your employee credentials, which include your employee ID and password. Once logged in, click the About main icon and navigate to the Vacation Hour icon. Here, you will be able to see your personal day hours, which include vacation time, vacation pay hours, and sick pay hours. If you want to cash out your hours, you can choose a day off and input vacation as the reason. You can also check your vacation time through payroll assistance. Confirm with the person who handles your payroll and request that they check your vacation time for you. Additionally, the vacation weeks are posted in the employee break room for the employees who are supposed to take them. Another way to find out about your vacation time is to contact your human resources department, and they will provide you with the details. So there you have it. Follow these steps to check your vacation time at Kroger. Thanks for watching.